It's like a scraper that has the felt on the end. And then, so I have this practice board right here that I do a lot of stuff on. My sprayer. I'm just using I'm just going to use my Visionary. I have some Visionary left over. So I'm going to just put a light coat of this is the gloss, because it's so thin, it just gives a nice thin like adhesion so that it's not like too thick and pulling the paper down too much. All right, so I'm just doing a nice even coat. Now this is gonna go right on wood, so obviously if it was against paint, it'd be different. And then the other thing is, if it is on paint, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you seal the paint first, because, you know, it's porous. So, all right, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this paper. I'm just gonna lightly mist it. Let me move my board just a little bit here, so I want you to see. I'm just taking my mister and I'm just slightly misting it before I even put it down, so that it has a little bit of a, as you can see, I don't know if you can see the water on it, it's just lightly misted. All right, and then I'm gonna start at the top here with my paper, and I'm gonna test this. Hopefully this works. I'm hoping, because I really want to use this like this. Oops. It might help if I lined it up right. The good thing about it too is when you mist it, it actually doesn't like adhere as quick. So you can lift it and do things with it. All right, so let's take this, and I'm taking the end of it. I'm just going a little bit at a time. I will tell you, I feel like this paper did not mist right in the center, so I'm actually going to mist it just a little bit more as I pull it down. I'm going to pull this out a little bit over here. Now, one of the things you can do too is only decoupage a section at a time and then add glue and keep going, so that you don't have a lot of glue down already, or in my case, it is top coat. God, I hope you can hear me. I just realized I didn't even check the volume before I started this. All right, now on the very end here, there is nothing, there is no water on it, so I'm just gonna, hopefully it doesn't give me an issue. Look, it's funny because on the very end, it's already starting to wrinkle, and that's where there was no misting. All right, so wet, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna take this and show you the difference. So you can see where it's wrinkled on the end where I didn't mist, but look at the rest. Right here, that's not a wrinkle, that's actually the paper. All right, so that's the one part of it. And I will let this dry overnight, and then I'll let you know what it looks like in the morning. All right, so here it is the next morning. There is not a single wrinkle. Actually, there's barely even a wrinkle where I didn't put the gloss. This is where I had some stuff stuck on my squeegee. The only thing is I didn't put it all the way to the edge, so I did notice the edges rolled quite a bit. So I need to just make sure the next time to go all the way. Okay, so the edges are wrinkled quite a bit, but otherwise there is not, look at, here's close up. Here's one, there was one wrinkle I just felt, but I can't even see it. It's right there. You still can't see it, but feeling it, and it's on super secure, there's no need to put another top coat on it.